Welcome to our pajama fabric party.
Woo! Hey guys, it's Viv with Stitches and Seams, and Roberta's here with us today. We went fabric shopping. Not in our pajamas.
No.
So in Dallas, they have a little area that is kind of like the fabric district. I kind of hesitate to call it that, but that's what we're going to call it. And it's like a little horseshoe kind of shape of fabric stores. And it's all, some of them do wholesale, some of them do all kinds of stuff. There's Spandex World, there's bridal fabrics, there's home deck fabrics. There's like literally anything that you could want is there. So we went. So our first store was...
That was my first time going, so I don't remember.
Warehouse Fabrics.
Yes.
Roberta bought everything.
Almost.
This is Warehouse Fabrics, and it's off of Harry Hines Boulevard in Dallas. And they have home deck section, and then they have an apparel section, and they have these huge tables of remnants, and everything on the remnant table is $2.50. You just gotta have the patience to dig.
I got elastic. I think it's 1.5 inch elastic for 75 cents a yard. So I got 5 yards. I got this beautiful fabric. It was on the remnants pile. I wanted to get up in that remnant and do a backstroke because there was so much fabric, but we didn't want to get kicked out of the store.
Not that time.
No. So I got this beautiful.
Feels like a lawn. It feels like a lawn to me. Or maybe even a wall.
And it was, what, $2.50 a yard?
So the remnant table is like this. They have 3 or 4 huge tables, and it's just whatever's on there is $2.50 a yard. But so you could get anywhere from half a yard of fabric to 10 yards of fabric. They won't cut it. So if it's a long piece, you have to buy all of it at $2.50 a yard. Which, I mean,
you can't beat that.
Who cares?
No. I also got this home deco fabric for $3 a yard. I mean, where can you get home deco fabric for $3 a yard?
That's the print.
Gorgeous.
Nice. That's hers. I picked up some stretch 6-inch, well, it's actually like 6.5-inch Galloon stretch lace. We'll try to put close-ups of some of these in so that you can actually, I think that's the wrong side. Is that the wrong side? That is, there you go. So it looks like that. This was $1.99 a yard. So I picked that one up. And I got, that's the right one. Yeah. Black and red. And then we got, is that blue? Or is that all? It's like a lavender and a
lilac.
Lilac. So yep.
And these are all very soft.
Yeah, this one's really nice. These are destined to be the Made for Mermaids Victoria pattern, panty pattern, and it'll be somewhere, or we'll link it. Then we went to the button guy. I can't remember, we'll put it in the thing. Went to the button guy, and if you go down there, you should absolutely go in there because just seeing and talking to him is worth the trip. Super Textiles in Dallas, and you have to come here. If you don't go to any of the other stores, you have to come here just for the guy because he's worth the trip by far. I mean, and then, you know, he's got awesome fabric and buttons. Lots of buttons. What'd you get?
I got this beautiful, stretchy, soft lace. And I thought it was gonna be $4 a yard, and I thought I was gonna be paying $12 total, but it was, she charged $8 for this.
For 3 yards? It was 8 for the whole?
Or 3.5.
Oh no, it was 2.5.
2.5?
Yeah, I think that's what it was. Let's see.
And it is so soft.
That doesn't look like 2.5. It's pretty.
And I think I'm gonna make a Mama Bridget out of this.
Made for mermaids. Well, do the thing with the thing.
I'm excited. It's gonna be so pretty.
It is pretty. Ta-da!
That was all that I got at that store.
So we went there because buttons from the button guy. I think they were like 10 cents a button. So we ended up with that many for some shirts for Jack and for myself. Interesting trivia fact. Do you remember what we won?
Yes. 2 buttons are for
2 holes.
Or 2 holes, yes, sorry. 2 hole buttons
Are for girls, women, and
4 hole buttons are for
the dudes. Didn't know that. Apparently it's a like antiquated thing that they used to do with the tailoring or whatever. I never knew it. I thought it was a fun fact. Now you know. Then I picked up this because you guys are not going to be shocked, but I found some navy. And this is probably a crepe. That's what it feels like to me. It feels like a crepe. Seriously. How could you not? They had a whole bunch of other different color combinations too, but this one was the one that I really liked because navy and pink. It's my jam. Oof, okay. Then went to the spandex one. So we went to Spandex World, which is also Spandex World and Fabrictopia kind of like melded together. And they, interestingly enough, had a remnant pile this time, or a remnant table this time. They didn't have one last time that I went, and they had on their remnant table, it is $3 a pound for fabric.
Okay, so I want y'all to know I love to touch fabrics, and Vivian knows this. So we're walking in the store, and we're walking past this, and Vivian says, first thing she says is, "Don't touch, Berta." That's why. It's because she knows me.
So Jack picked this out for our youngest. It's just feels like a cotton knit to me. Make her a little t-shirt.
Nice and soft.
Yeah, it's nice and soft. Purple, pink and brown. I can't, words are hard. Then, you're not gonna miss me. That's for sure. You will see me coming. That's the right side. Let's get fluff. Construction orange, for real. And there's like a load of it. A load. That's 1, 2, 3, 3.5 yards of what I believe is a cotton jersey. And those 2 pieces together were $3. Then Roberta found this, and it's an ITY navy. So yeah, that is going to be an Appleton, and we'll put the. So yeah, I'm in love with that one. They had a black one, but you know, why buy black when you can buy navy?
Maybe.
I really do like that. Probably my favorite piece. Then we went to
CNC?
I want to say Music Factory, and you guys will know what I'm talking about, but that's not the name of the store. So they had a whole bunch of stuff. They mostly deal with like wholesale type stuff, but they also have other things there in the shop. Super friendly people too. sequins, if you're looking for them, this is the place to be. What'd you get?
I got some quilting fabric, and this is vintage airplane fabric, and I want to say it's only $5 a yard, I think. This is going to be a baby blanket for a friend.
It's so cute.
It was hard for me to find vintage airplane fabric that I really liked, so I was happy to find
They do have like a not jet blue, what's that called? Like airliners. Airline planes, that's what I'm trying to say.
Then I found a couple of Batik quilting fabrics, and that was $7 a yard, which is great, actually, for batiks.
Yeah, it is very, very good. And this, it feels like any other batik that you would feel.
Then I also got this blue. This is also going to be a baby blanket, because it's ocean blues for that quilt, so it's going to be this and a couple others that I already have, so it'll be interesting. We'll see how it turns out.
We'll make her send a picture and we'll put it in. I got more buttons. Surprise, surprise, surprise. These are little square ones. I'll try to put a photo up for you guys so you can actually see, because you're not going to be able to see this far away because I can't even see you. So just plain white ones, and then these square pearlescent ones, and they were $1. And there's got to be 20, 25 buttons in there. There's a lot of buttons in there. So I got that one. Then I found this. And this is just like Georgette. And I thought that would make a pretty Ogden, because I have some stuff that I could put underneath of it so that, you know, you don't see the things you're not supposed to see.
Very light.
It is.
Very cool.
It's really pretty. I like the peaches and the pinks. And it's got teal too. Yeah, really pretty. And that was $5 a yard, but there's like a yard and 3/4 there, but she gave it to me for a yard. Yeah. And then the last one, Jack picked out for a background. This is crazy. I want your sunglasses. So this is just is it stretchy? It has a little bit of stretch. Sequin, gold sequin. And this was $10 a yard. Oops, sorry. $10 a yard, and I got, I think there was 3 yards of it. So yeah. So that'll be coming to a photo near you sometime soon. And that's it. That is all we got into today, which is probably enough. So, did you like your fabric shopping trip?
I loved it. No, well, I don't know if I could say the name, but a certain fabric store got ruined for me after going to this.
You can say the name. Joanne.
Yeah, it's never going to be the same again for me. If you all ever come up to Dallas, you definitely need to go check out this district. It is totally worth it.
It's cool, and the people they really are. They're all really nice,
very friendly,
and they all amazingly somehow know exactly where everything is that you're looking for. And I mean, it's not like they're small shops.
This is massive, yeah. Huge warehouses. So that's a big deal. And she says they know exactly where something is at. Yeah,
we asked the lady if she had any white buttons, and she there's 6-7 rooms of buttons, and I don't mean like there's a few buttons. There's stacks and stacks. You'll see a picture. And she went to the exact room, to the exact box, and found the buttons. So it's pretty awesome that they have that kind of a database, because it's not on a computer system. It's all, in their noggin. But yeah, that's it. And anything else? Nope, there's nothing else. So that's going to do it for us today. And we're going to try to not buy fabric for a while. I am anyway. I don't know about her. I'm leaving her unsupervised soon, so who knows. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching, And if you have recently subscribed, we just want to say thank you, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Bye.